Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima saying to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Grade 3 and we are on chapter 12, that is the last chapter of the book, a lesson from the bird. So this is a poem we'll be reading and it gives a bird gives us a lesson. Now what is the lesson? Let's know that. So before that, we have an activity. Do you know what's bragging is? So what is bragging? Bragging is when you just keep talking about yourself. मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, मैं वो कर सकती हूँ. I am the best. You keep flaunting and flexing. So they've given us few sentences and we need to find out which sentences depict that the person is bragging. Do you want to come home and play with my toys? You may like some of them. No, this is sharing. Look at this pencil box. I brought it from the D-Lake Mall. It is the most expensive one in that shop. So this sentence shows that the person is bragging. So the next you can do it yourself. Now let's read the poem. A little bird with feathers brown sat singing on a tree. So here's a bird which has brown feathers and it was singing a song. The song was very soft and low, but sweet as it could be. Though the bird's voice was very soft and very low, but then the song was really melodious, very sweet, and it was like you have never heard such a beautiful voice ever before. And all the people passing by looked up to see the bird. So whoever was passing by, was forced to see that who was singing so beautifully and so sweetly. Whose singing was the sweetest that ever they had heard. So they were like, whoever is the one who's singing or humming, that sound is so sweet that they've never heard it before. But all the bright eyes looked in vain, for birdie was so small. So in vain means having too high an opinion of one's look. But all the people who were passing by, their bright eyes, they looked in vain. They were expecting that it would be something very big, something very huge. But then it was a very small birdie. So they were all going by the appearance, right? And with a modest dark brown coat. Modest is not proud. And the bird was so sweet, so down to earth that it was wearing a dark brown coat in the sense that it had dark brown feathers. And it was not at all, flaunting or not showing off. He made no show at all. As I said, the bird was so simple, being so beautiful, having such a beautiful voice. The bird was really simple and had, was not at all flaunting, was not at all arrogant about the looks which God has given her. Dear Papa, little Gracie said, where can this birdie be? If I could only sing like that, I would sit where folks could see. So Gracie is a small girl who says, Papa, the bird, where is the bird? Where can this bird be? If I could see. So the girl says that, Papa, if I would be able to sing such a beautiful song, I would have been a part of people who could praise me. I could have, sang a song with the people where, there were people who could praise me, who could applaud me, who could, really make me feel proud of. So, but this birdie is so simple that it is hiding, and nobody can see it properly. And I could sit where the folks could see. I could sit in a place where I could be visible and could be appreciated. I hope my little girlie will learn a lesson from that bird. So the father thought that maybe my girl might learn a lesson to be very simple. And you should be proud of yourself, but you shouldn't feel arrogant. And try to do what good she can. And he wanted his little girl to do all the good deeds, whatever could be possible from her side, not to be seen nor heard, not for the sake of people to acknowledge, but then she should be beautiful, she should be good from heart. So it's a beautiful poem. Now let's come to the exercise. What's this? Okay, the poem is still not complete. Okay, this birdie is content to sit unnoticed, by the way. Content is, when you are happy, you are satisfied. The birdie was contented, happy sitting by not being noticed by the people, and sweetly sing his maker's praise. And maker's praise is the God, from dawn to close of the day. So she used to sing right from the morning till the end of the day. So live, my child, do some good. So the dad really wanted Gracie to, live a beautiful life, do good deeds. Let life be short or long. Be it the life is long or short, though people may forget your looks. Whether the life is long or short, the people will definitely forget your looks, but if you do something good, the people will always remember your good deeds. They'll not forget your song. So they'll not forget your song here means that no matter, you are beautiful, you are ugly, you are fair, you are dark complexion, the people will one day forget everything, but then only your deeds will be remembered by the people around you. So now let's come to the exercise. Which of the following is the opposite of the word hard? Soft. Which of the following words means the same as daybreak? So dawn, the bird used to sing right from the morning till the end of the day. Now we have the extract. Based on it, we need to answer the questions. Where is the little bird sitting? The little bird is sitting on the tree. Which kind of song the little bird is singing? The little bird is singing a very soft song. All the people passing by looked up to see the bird because the bird was so small that it could not be noticed by the people. People have never heard the sweetest singing. True. Next extract. Little birdie is praising whom? Little birdie is praising the maker, the God. The bird is being noticed by all. Is the bird being noticed by all? No. What type of life does Gracie's father want her to live? Now, Gracie's father wants Gracie to live a life that is simple. She should do all the good deeds and she should be away from all the, the glamour and the show-offs, right? People may forget your looks, but then they will always remember your good deeds. True or false? The little bird with black feathers sat singing on a tree. The feathers were black? No, they were brown. The song was very soft and low. True. The little bird was praising his maker, the Lord. Yes. The bird was singing from sunrise to sunset. Yes, true. Coming to the next question answers. Why was the bird not noticed? The bird was not noticed because the bird was really small and it had dark brown coat which kept her hidden and unnoticed. Why did passers-by look for the bird? Everybody who was passing by wanted to have a look at the bird because she was really singing very melodiously. Which line tells you that the bird sings from sunrise to sunset? Okay, so we'll have to check out here. From dawn to close of day. Next, they'll not forget your song. What does Gracie's father mean by song here? Gracie's father, she meant to say that they will forget your lives, but then whatever good deeds you do or how, whatever ways you help others will always stay with you, right? Is it just the song? No. It is, the word song just does not only means the word song does not only mean song, but it means the good deeds and your efforts you make to help people and the simple way you spend your life and you respect and love each other. So that was all about the poem. Hope you all loved it. Read the poem once again. Take care. Happy learning.